Hey guys, nice to see 11 here. Today is the update on my Murray off-road mower. Yeah, got my tires on like I said I was going to do. So I get my front tires, I got my old ATV tires on. Another thing we did, paint the rims front and back. So has a gas pedal. Yeah, when I was talking about broken coat today, get that situated. I got a piece of steel with a drill a hole, mount it to a screw. And I gave you well crap out of it. Works quite good. And I still got this right here where I can pull it, choke, this on, choke off. Pretty good. Knuckle back on. And I got it hitting in the very back. This again, safety full cup. I got painted black. And a catch can. So yeah. Yeah, a couple little things. Well, alright. That's all over. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.